Hello everyone, my name is Gugulan Pushpanathan and my metric number is 10DAT22F1014 and my teammates are Daniel Haris bin Zairi Nizam and Siranya Anapraposarawanan and our lecturer is Miss Asmida binti Muhammad Hassan. Today we are here to analyze and discuss the statement of cash flow of Rex Industry Berhad Company. Rex Industry Berhad Company's background is Rex Industry Berhad is food manufacturing and producing company in Malaysia. Moreover, the company specializes in manufacturing and producing halal canned food, beverages, coconut milk, chocolate malt, pouch packs, wafer and also coconut cream. The company is located in number 125 Jalan Perindustrian Bukit Minyak 5, Kawasan Perindustrian Bukit Minyak, postcode 14100, Simpang Ampat, Pulau Pinang. Furthermore, the company only operates on weekends from 8:30 a.m. until 5:30 p.m. And finally, the organization chart of the company's board of directors as shows. So there are 6 board of directors in Rex Industry Berhad. The statement of cash flow of the company for the year 2020 and 2023 starts with operating activities. The company has used indirect method for the preparation of statement of cash flow. So there are 4 items involved in the operating activities, which is the negative value of profit before tax. The second one is impairment loss on amounts due from subsidiaries and investment subsidiaries. After calculated loss before tax together with impairment loss, it became operating loss or balance carried down. Furthermore, the third item involved in the operating activities is changes in working capital. It consists of only trade and other receivables, trade and other payables amount. And the last or fourth item that I've involved is cash used in operations. And finally got the net cash used in operation activities by calculating together operating loss, trade and other receivables, trade and other payables, and cash used in operating activities.
Thank you, Gogulan. And now I will continue with the investing activities of statement in the statement of cash flow of the Rex Industry Berhad. So cash flow from investing activities in the statement of cash flow of Rex Berhad Industry started with acquisition of property, plant and equipment with the amount of 1,673,746 minus for the year 2023 and minus 5,946,269 for the 2022. And next we have the acquisition of right of use assets in the cash payments, which is in the amount of minus 89,896 for the 2023, and for the 2022 is minus 85,043 ringgit. The next one is the proceeds of disposal of property, plants and equipment. For the 2023, it doesn't have the proceeds of the disposal of property, plant and equipment. As for 2022, the Rex Industry Berhad have the proceeds of disposal of property, plant and equipment in the amount of 930,001 ringgit for the 2022. And last but not least, the advances to all repayment from subsidiaries. For the both year in the group didn't have the amount. For the company, it have minus 15,712,319 for the year 2023, and for the 2022 we have the in the amount of 1,385,868 ringgit. So the next cash that have been used in or from investing activities for the year 2023 is minus 1,763,642 ringgit, and as for the year 2022, 5,101,338 ringgit. And now I will continue with the financing activities. The financing activities started with repayment to or advance from directors, which is started on 2023 in the amount of minus 4,307,970 ringgit, and for the 2022 it is 4,280,010 ringgit. The next one is advances from subsidiaries. For the both year 2023 and 2022, the Rex Industry Berhad don't have amount for it. The next one is dividend paid. Dividend paid for 2023 has no amount, and for the 2022 it has in the amount of minus 986,505 ringgit. The next one is drawdown or repayment of borrowings, which is in amount of 2,716,375 ringgit for 2023, and for the 2022 it is minus 1,779,672 ringgit. So the next one is payment for principal portion of lease liabilities liabilities in the amount of 280,061 ringgit for the 2022, and minus 336,736 ringgit for the year 2022. Last but not least, the proceeds from issuance of rights issue with warrants net of transaction costs for the year 2023 in the amount of 15,813,236 ringgit, and for the year 2022 it has no amount for it. So net cash from or used in financing activities for the year 2023 in the amount of 13,941,580 ringgit, and for the year 2022 it is in the amount of 1,177,097 ringgit. And now I will continue with the types of cash and cash equivalent involved in the statement of cash flow of Rex Industry Berhad. So the types of cash and cash equivalent started with net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent, which is in amount of 8,668,239 ringgit for the year 2023, and minus 6,278,910 ringgit for the year 2022. And next, cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the financial year, which is in amount of 7,507,269 ringgit for the year 2023, and 13,756,277 for the year 2022. And last but not least, effects of exchange rate, which is changes on cash and cash equivalent in amount of 116,381 ringgit for the year 2023, and for the year 2022 it is in amount of 29,902 ringgit. Last but not least, for the year 2023 and 22, the cash and cash equivalent at the end of the financial year, which is in the amount of 16,291,889 ringgit, and for the year 2022, 7,507,269 ringgit. And as we all can see that the types of cash and cash equivalent involved in the statement of cash flow of Rex Industry Berhad started with the cash and bank balances, which is on the 2033, in the amount of 17,427,480 ringgit, and for the year 2022, in the amount of 7,890,165 ringgit. The next one is the fixed deposit with licensed bank on the 2023 in the amount of 936,589 million, and for the year 2022 in the amount of 900,000. So when we sum up or total up those two things, we will get the amount 18,364,069 ringgit for the year 2023, and for the year 2022 is 8,790,165 ringgit, and we will minus with the bank overdrafts, which is minus 2,072,180, and we get 60,291,889 ringgit for the year 2023, and for the year 2022 we will minus the 8,790,165 with the 1,282,896 ringgit, and we will get 7,500,269 ringgit for the year 2022.
My name is Siranya Anapurampan Saranan and my metric card number is 10D8022F1008, and I will be presenting regarding two comments of Rex Industry Berhad Company based on its cash flow statement. The first comment is it's about operating cash flow challenges. The company's operating cash flow for the financial year ended on 30th June 2023. This indicates a significant decrease compared to the previous year, which is 2022. The operating cash flow before changes in working capital has turned negative at Rm 6,603,226, a substantial decline from the positive 7,607,918 reported in the prior year. This negative operating cash flow is primarily attributed to the loss of profit before tax, about Rm 43,413,945, reflecting a challenging financial performance during the year. It's essential for stakeholders to closely monitor the company's ability to generate positive operating cash flow in subsequent periods, as sustained negative cash flow could pose liquidity and operational challenges. And the second comment is regarding the financial restructuring and liquidity improvement. The financing activities section of the cash flow statement provides insights into the company's effort to enhance its financial structure and liquidity. The net cash from financing activities increased significantly from 13,941,580 compared to 1,177,097 in the previous years. This increase is mainly driven by proceeds from the issuance of rights issue with warrants, net of transaction costs amounting to 15,813,236. The company also managed to repay borrowings, which contributed to the positive net cash from financing activities. While this indicates a proactive approach to improve liquidity and strengthen the balance sheet, stakeholders should closely monitor the impact of such financial restructuring on the company's long-term financial health and its ability to meet its obligation. Thank you.
That will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening.